Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to discuss Matterport tours captured on a device and how to export them to a computer. Why would you want to do this? Well, having too much data on your capture device can actually affect the way Matterport captures, meaning slow capturing speeds, slow data downloads from the camera to the device, and slow alignments. This slowness can impact the speed at which you can capture space. I have a 6th gen iPad Pro 12.9 inch with a 2 terabyte hard drive and 16 gigs of RAM. And I do capture a lot of spaces. 2023 is almost over, and we've already captured 313 spaces for a total of around 213 gigs. By saving these tours to our computer, we're able to keep them handy for restoring if needed and off of the device. You may ask, why would I want to export them from the cloud to a computer? Well, I have a NAS RAID array that I have everything backed up on. This RAID array uploads to a separate cloud storage. I only use my iCloud storage for moving files from my device into my local computer, which happens to be a PC. So let's begin. The first step is to export the tour. We want to find the tour that we want to export in the Matterport Capture app and click on the 3 dots next to the name, then select Export. It'll then begin to archive the job. I'm not going to speed this up so you can see it in real time. This particular folder happens to be around 532 megs. Larger tours can take longer to export, so be patient. Once it's done archiving, you'll be prompted to save the file. I like saving to iCloud versus to Dropbox, but if you're a Dropbox user, you can click Save to Dropbox. I'm going to click Save to Files. I've made a Matterport folder on my iCloud drive, and that's where I'm putting all these archive files. Depending on your internet speeds, it can take a while to sync from your device to iCloud, but it's usually only a few minutes. And just repeat the process with the next job. I do about 3 or 4 at a time, and then I will download them from my iCloud to my computer. And the last step I do is delete them from my device. For timing purposes, I'll speed up this archive so that we can go on to the next step. Once we've exported the tours to our iCloud drive, the next step is going to be to download them to our computer. Here I have a few zip files, which I've exported from the Matterport app to iCloud. I'll download one of them now. We're going to click on the file and highlight it, and then click on this download button. Our download will then begin, and you'll see up here a progress bar. Based on the size of the file, it could take a few minutes. It's also dependent on your internet connection. And that's it. Once I have the file downloaded to my local folder, I'll move it where I want it to be on my NAS array or onto another cloud storage system. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.